You want to know? So here we go. I love my HOTO electric spin scrubber because it makes cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. With the torque and dual speed options, it powers through grime and tough spots, offering both a soft and slow setting for daily cleaning and a strong and fast mode for deep cleaning. So, no more worrying about stubborn stains on tile or grout. The IPX7 waterproof rating means I can confidently use it fully immersed in sinks or bathtubs. And with a long lasting battery, I get 90 to 110 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. It's equipped with 6 high quality brush heads. It's versatile enough to handle a range of surfaces from shower walls to floors, and the easy buckle design makes swapping heads simple and keeps them secure while in use. Plus, the telescoping extension pole extends from 37 to 51 inches, allowing me to reach high and low spots comfortably, saving my back from bending or kneeling. It's not just a cleaning tool, it's a game changer for keeping my home spotless without the hassle. And now you know.